sober, never choking, always smoking dope. Fucking if they getting over, got a month of coke because the kid the coldest. Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over.
Hold on, do these sound like your New Year's resolutions? Make 100,000 online, start eating healthy, less fast food, less soda, McDonald's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, all that, cut all that out, start eating more healthy, celery sticks, lettuce, fruits, apples, you know, all that. And then also have a long-lasting, healthy relationship, and also go to the gym and get a six-pack. Does that sound like you? If so, listen up. I'm sorry to tell you guys, but the truth is that only a small percent of people watching this video anywhere across the world will achieve them goals. I know it may be, I know it seems simple to just go to the gym and get a six-pack, but guess what? You're gonna have to be dedicated, you're gonna have to be consistent, no days off, and people can't do that. That is why 99% of them people who had them goals written down for their New Year's resolutions won't even achieve them. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make 2024 your year. So listen up. Go get a notepad if you have to. Let's get started. And I'm pretty sure 99.999% of people who are watching this video, one of their goals is somewhat related to money. So I'll put you guys on. The first thing is that social media is designed to take your time away. It is designed for you to scroll for hours and hours and hours and hours. It is designed that way. It's not a mistake that the algorithm keeps pushing videos that you keep liking and sharing to your friends. That's not a coincidence. It's made to be like that. They literally hire people to like fully understand how the human brain works. Why do you think like the refresh button is just like dopamine, just like if you're at the casino? It's look, hey, it's all related, okay? So starting 2024, I'm gonna need you to go to your settings and put a limit on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. If you're not using it for beneficial purposes only, put a limit on it. So if you're not making videos, scrolling for like content ideas, scrolling for trending audios, whatever, put a limit on there, please. Cause I know a ton of people who will sit there and scroll on TikTok for hours and hours and hours on end and won't even realize it until what, 3 hours later, and like, what the heck? I totally lost track of time. So don't end up being one of those people. I go on TikTok, I know, like, hey, it's been 30 minutes, let me go ahead and get off. Because the main reason why I'm scrolling on TikTok, I'm looking for video ideas, I'm looking for new trends, I'm looking for trending audios. I'm not just sitting there scrolling on TikTok. Look, that video's funny right now. I'm not doing that. No. So, starting 2024, I'm gonna need you guys to put a limit on those social media apps, okay? And also, starting in 2024, if you want to make any of those goals achievable, you want to accomplish any of those goals, you're gonna have to be consistent. Like, you guys are you're gonna have to sacrifice. I'm sorry. Me right now, I'm sacrificing. Look, I could be out having fun right now. I could be out at a New Year's party, right? I could be doing whatever teenagers do. I could be at a freaking football season's over with. But let's say I could be at a football game. I could be hanging out with friends. I could just be doing whatever at the park right now, whatever. But no, I'm in my room recording a video for you guys so I can help you guys out for 2024 because I'm tired of hearing, oh my gosh, 2020, bro, dude, 2024 is gonna be my year for real. Yeah, bro, we're up, bro. Everybody says, hey, everybody says 2024 is gonna be my year. Everybody said 2023 is gonna be my year. Everybody said 2022 is gonna be my year. Everybody said 1999 is gonna be my year. You get it, right? Everybody says, oh, it's gonna be my year every single year. But what do they do to actually back that up and make it happen? Nothing. I would probably say after January 15th. So in 14 days, it's January 1st, right? January 1st right now. So in 14 days, all those people who had those goals written down, they're gonna forget about them. They're gonna be back eating McDonald's. They're not gonna be going to the gym no more. They're gonna be back playing video games, not even thinking about their goals. And they're just gonna be like, oh yeah, bro, nah, 2025 is gonna be my year. 2026, bro, I got this, bro. Come on, I'm trying to help you guys. I'm trying to put you guys on to stop thinking like everybody else. Stop thinking like 99% of other people and start thinking like the 1%. It doesn't matter what your goal is. You could be what you want to be, the star player of your basketball team. Go put in that work. While everybody else is out there partying for New Year's, you should be at that basketball court hooping, getting some shots in, dribbling, all that. Because like actually sit down and just think. Sit down and think. Honestly, hey, I'm asking you right now, the viewers, sit down and think. How many people say every single year, this year is gonna be my year, and then at the end of the or throughout the year, they're still doing the same thing as last year? Think. And that's the type of people you want to avoid. You want to hang around the people, you want to know the people, you want to network with the people who say this year's gonna be my year, and throughout the year you see them leveling up. Look at this. Hold on, let me show you guys. Recently, I just picked up this MacBook right here. I paid about $2,000. As you guys can see, my older MacBook, it was old, it was slow. The battery, bro, I'm not even lying to you guys. The battery lasts for what, like 30 minutes. So you guys need to sit there. What I'm saying, why I brought up that MacBook, if you have a goal and you need to invest in equipment, you want to start a business, you need to invest in something, do it. Don't even think about it. Because guess what? People gonna be like, oh my gosh, you paid $2,000 for a computer? Well, guess how much money that computer can make me? $1 million, $10 million, $1 billion. So stop thinking about it like that. But if it's closed, yes, you did pay $2,000 for a Bape hoodie. That Bape hoodie is not making you no money, gang. But anyways, you guys need to invest. Show up bro, I'm telling you guys, I get a whole bunch of questions. Bro, how did you grow on YouTube? How do you have 12,000 followers, etc.? How should you grow your brand to 6 figures in under a year? All that. Guess what? If you show up every day, you're beating like 80% of people. Because you're still going to be in bed, sleep. And like, oh, I'm tired today. I'm sore. I'm going to play video games today. Whatever. Show up. That is the first step. Show up. Show up. Give it your all. You're ahead of everybody except for like that 1 or 2%. But other than that, the other 98%, they be like, oh, I'm not going to work today. I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of sleepy. Whatever. Take advantage of that. Why do you see me growing so fast? Look, I'll try to post on YouTube as much as I can. I try to post on my business page as much as I can. I show up every single day. Dude, every single day I'm up working, recording content for TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all that. Why do you think my business page, look, you see? Why do you think my business page has, I think it's 21.3 thousand. I grew in what? 4 weeks? Because guess what? I was posting what, like 15 Instagram reels a day. I was posting feed pictures every single day. If you show up, you're gonna beat 99% of people. And if you give it your all, you're gonna beat mostly everybody. So take that into 2024. Also, if you guys are not making 6 figures a year, you should not be playing video games. Simple. So take that Xbox, take that PS5. Oh my gosh, no, my PS5. Yes, your PS5. Take it, Facebook Marketplace, sell it. You should not be playing video games. Video games are for the people who have already made it in life, who are already making money, who have a bunch of free time. But you, my friend, you're not even making 100,000. Why are you playing video games, dude? That's not cool. Put the video games up, go work. I think I had a gaming console when I was like, I don't even know how old I was, bro. I was like 8, 9. I think it was the PS3, bro. Yes, that's how old I am. Actually, oh, it was the PS3. Look at that. Look at that. No cap. Look at that. PS3 right there. You see that, right? GTA 5, PS3. I never had the PS4. I never had the PS5. Like, video games never really like, yeah, they're fun, but video games never really like interest me like that. I'll play it for like a little bit and I'm like, nah, I gotta go work, dude. I can't do this. I can't sit here all day and play the video game. Why level up in a video game when you can level up in real life? Because in GTA 5, people get the most expensive cars. They grind all day, get the money, get the girls. You feel me? They get all the fly clothes, but you can't even do it in real life. Bro, what are you doing? Like, come on now. I just find that like really crazy. So you guys need to sit down and focus. Sit down and sacrifice. Look, I could have 100 girls in my DMs right now that I'm texting, calling, FaceTiming every night, but I'm not doing that. I'm up working on my business, grinding. So you're gonna have to sacrifice. Whatever you need to sacrifice, do it and you'll be up here. Simple. Sacrifice, you'll be at the top. You'll get $1 million. You'll get whatever you want. You'll make it to the NBA, whatever. Sacrifice and you'll make it. Simple. Sacrifice. Hard work, show up every day. Do not get distracted. Hang around the right people. Network and give it your all. You're gonna be straight. So I want to see all this from what I just said. I want to see all of this in 2024 from you guys. My bad. So 2025, or actually, hold on, the end of this year, I want you guys. I want to see you guys. Hey, calithekid, I'm making 100,000. Hey, I watched your video that you posted January 1st at the beginning of 2024. Hey, that video really helped me out. You know, I just need a little bit of guidance, whatever. And now I want to see comma. After I watched that video, I grinded all year long, and now I'm making $500,000 a year. I want to see that. I don't want to see, hey, I watched your video, but I'm still not making any money. Bro, what? That means you're just watching my video just for the fun of it. No, my videos are to change your guys' life. So this video is how to boss up your life in 2024. Take all my advice if you want, or leave it, whatever, doesn't matter. I want to see you guys winning at the end of the day, all right? Look, this video is free. All my content is free, so go watch it. Go binge watch all my other videos. Bro, there's no way on earth, zero, that you're not making at least $10,000 a month after watching all the videos that I posted. From guess what? The first video I posted, I was making what? $500 a month? And now I'm making, I'm not even to say, but I'm making over $10,000 a month now. Well over $10,000 a month now. So the proof is in the pudding, guys. Come on now. So watch my videos from beginning to end so you can see my growth over the years. Yeah. Damn, it's been a long time. But yeah, watch my videos from my first video all the way till now. You'll see how much I've grown, and I want you guys to be the exact same way. So going in 2024, I'm gonna need you to set a limit on social media. That's like the only thing that's probably stopping you guys. Social media, I know it takes up so much time. Set a limit on it, grind, work every single day, and trust me, you guys will be at the top. Do not get distracted by girls, bro. They will always be here. I know some of y'all ATL goons watching me right now with all the Balenciaga tracks. Y'all be going to the parties trying to get all the girls and stuff. No, it's a waste of time. Go home, work, get up here, and trust me, the girls will come to you. Hope this video helped you guys out, and let me know. Go down and comment down below. What are some of your goals for 2024, and how do you plan on achieving them? And if this video helped, always, as usual, let me know down below. And it's been calithekid. I'm out. I hope nothing for the best for you guys. It is January. Hey, you guys are gonna see my growth from now all the way to the end of the year, and it's gonna be crazy. So you know, just be watching, all right? And it's been calithekid. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video. Peace.